Hi, in the zoo of the district Bahawalpur, we find and discuss about the Afghan urial. Afghan urial play a crucial role in maintaining the vegetation balance in their habitat. Their grazing activity help in control the plant growth and contribute to the diversity of plant species. By consuming various plant species, they aid in the dispersal of seeds, help in the propagation of plant species in their wild habitat. They are an important species for predators like wolves, snow leopards, and large birds of prey. Their presence is very crucial for the survival of the wild animals such as snow leopards, wolves, and large birds of prey. Afghan urial do not have a direct significant medical importance to human, however, they can be the indicator of environmental health. Monitoring their population can help to detect changes in the habitat quality and the presence of disease that affect both wildlife and livestock. The zoological name of Afghan urial is Ovis orientalis cycloceros, is a subspecies of wild sheep found in the mountainous regions of Pakistan, Afghanistan, and parts of Iran and Turkmenistan. Afghan urials inhabit in hilly and mountainous regions, usually at an elevations ranging from 600 to 3000 meters. They prefer to inhabit in semi-arid regions with open grounds or grazing on sparse vegetations and rocky terrains for protections against predators. Afghan urials are herbivores. Their diet consisting of herbs, shrubs, and grasses. Their diet varies seasonally, depend upon the availability of food. In winter, when food is scarce, they depend on the feeding on dried grasses and low-lying shrubs. Afghan urials are opportunistic and selective feeders. They moving across large areas to find the most nutritious and palatable vegetation. Afghan urials are diurnal, meaning they are active during the daylight hours. They are most active during the early mornings and the late afternoon. During the hottest part of the day, they tend to be rest under the shaded areas to avoid overheating. Afghan urials are highly active animal, member of the herd scanning for predators such as wolves, snow leopards, and large birds of prey. Upon detecting a threat, Afghan urials rely on their agility and speed to escape. They are expert in navigating the pathway on steep and rocky terrains, which provides a natural advantage against predators. Their coat colorations help them to blend in the rocky and grassy landscapes, making it harder for predators to spot them from a distance. Afghan urials use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other. They use alarm calls to warn of predators and mating calls during the breeding seasons. Body postures and movements are important for communications within the herd. Afghan urials display stiff-legged walks to assert dominance. They use their scent markings to establish their territory. Afghan urials are social animals, typically form small to medium-sized groups. Their group size vary depending on the seasons and availability of resources. The male Afghan urials typically forms bachelor groups. The female Afghan urials with their offspring form maternal groups. Their groups members vary from few members to large aggregations, especially during the breeding seasons when the male and females come together. breeding season of Afghan Orioles occur in late autumn to early winters. During the breeding seasons, male compete for access to females through strength and dominance. The male engage in head-butting contest. These fights determine the social hierarchies and access to matings. Successful male display courtship behaviors and follow females until mating occur. The gestation period is approximately 5 to 6 months. After gestation period, the female gives birth to one or two lambs. The lambs are able to stand and move within the hours of birth. Females are highly protective of their young, keeping them too close and guiding them about to safe grazing areas. The young break off the milk of mothers after several months but remain with the mother for up to a year. The taxonomic classification of Afghan Orioles includes Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Artiodactyla, family Bovidae, genus Ovis, species Ovis orientalis, subspecies Ovis orientalis cycloceros. Afghan Oriole is recognized by robust and muscular builds. Afghan Orioles are medium-sized ungulates. The male Afghan Orioles are weight typically between 50 to 90 kilograms. The females weigh between 30 to 60 kilograms. The male Afghan Orioles have height between 80 to 19 centimeter. The females are slightly shorter than male. The male Afghan Oriole is called rams, while the female Afghan Oriole is called ives. The coat of the Afghan Oriole varies seasonally. In the summer seasons, the coat is short and reddish brown in color, which provides camouflage within the rocky environments. In the winter season, the coat becomes longer, thicker, and more grayish or brownish in color, which provides better insulation against the cold. The fur of Afghan Oriole is woolly, offering good insulation and protection against environmental changes. Both male and female Afghan Orioles have awns, but there is significant sexual dimorphism in their size and shape. The male Afghan Orioles have long, spiral shape and curved awns growing up to 100 centimeters in length. They grow backward and then upward, forming an impressive arc, while the females Afghan Orioles have shorter, smaller, curved awns measuring up to 10 to 20 centimeters in length. The awns of males are used in fight during the breeding seasons. The Afghan Orioles have broad nose and mouth adapted for grazing on dense and sparse vegetations. They have large, expressive eyes positioned laterally on the head, provide a wide field of visions to detect predators. Afghan Orioles have strong and muscular legs adapted for climbing on steep and rocky mountains. The legs are relatively long, providing agility to escape from predators. The hooves are hard and cloven, providing good grip and stability on the rocky surface. The tail of the Afghan Oriole is short, measuring about 10 to 15 centimeters in length. The tail covers tuft of hairs with more prominence during the colder months. Stay with us to learn quality knowledge with the thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.